We have boxes of stuff that we have to take to the Philippines. Like all these boxes. One goes to Bataan. These ones goes to Manila. Here are our boxes. We got 4 of them. Waiting for the taxi to pick us up, and we're heading to JFK. So we're here. We finally landed. Kitty! So we're here at our gate. It's B29. We are early though. Bill eating the ham and cheese sandwich my mom made. So we are now in line. There's my family behind me. So we're sitting now. Brianna, Bill. So we have a blanket, pillow, and slippers. I'm wearing them right now. Slippers.
You already put them on?
Yeah, I did. Alright, we're leaving Seoul! Hey guys! This is it! First class, whatever!
It might not be anything different.
Alright, last 4 hours. Hey, we just landed, and it's around 10 o'clock at night here in Manila. It's 82 degrees outside, and we're exhausted. It's a lot of flight. So we're here, we finally landed. We're still at the airport, but we're gonna be meeting Paul at Gate D. So we are at the Palengke now. And this is my mom and Tito Abra, and they are getting buko. Morning! Here's Bill. So it's only, what, around 7:30-ish in the morning. We only have an extra hour of sleep. We can't go back to bed because the sun is up and we're awake, and the people playing loud music already. Tito Abra's Kubo is neat. I'll show you around. We're in our hotel room. It's 2:05 in the afternoon, and we're exhausted. Still day one. It's the bed. Pretty neat. Alright, so we are at the Fortune restaurant. Hello. Hey. Alright, day 2. We have breakfast at 7 a.m. and it's a free breakfast. I already clogged the toilet. I put tissue paper in the toilet. You don't do that. You just discard of your toilet paper in the trash can. Someone's gonna come up the hotel room at 8. We'll be in town. We might go to the marketplace today because they have this bargain thing going on every Thursday. We might go swimming in La Vista. A lot to do. And then we leave to Manila early in the morning. Alright, let's have some fun.
Good.
Bill, go first. Museum po, sir, pwede.
Museum? Pwede po. Oo, pwede nyo dito.
Brianna. So it is windy, but the air is warm.
Where are you from?
So we're from the United States.
So you're American?
Yes.
So you have to be here by 5:30 in the morning. So they'll be leaving by 5:30. So to go to another feeding ground, forested area, fish pond area. So you have to be here by 5:30.
So we are late already.
So,
Yes, we are.
They're done.
This afternoon you have to be here by 5:30 also.
So this is their museum.
Tatanong doon.
Kami ng museum daw.
Nakilala ko doon yung mga Hindoy.
Oh, marami na.
Hindoy, mga Pinong. One of the favorite of migratory birds is the Fishman area.
Here because of the winter.
Because of the warm weather.
So we're now on the second floor. the bargain place. Apparently it only happens around Thursdays. It starts really early. It's a half-day thing, so they're done by noon. So after this, we're gonna go to La Vista and go for a swim. No, it has the price tag on it. This is my Uncle Steven right there. Sa ano po, sa info center, nasan ba magbabayad? Hey! We're now at La Vista! Here's Al. Yeah! Hey! We're in!
So we were trying because people here don't really have some. I thought we're not trying to talk like you.
That's good. Kitty! You're patting a Filipino kitty.
I know! This kitty's so much better than American kitty.
Do not touch the
What the heck? Okay, so recap. We went swimming for a couple of hours. And now we're going to get lunch. Ariana, how do you like the place so far? Philippines.
It's good. It's better than America.
Tell them about the tricycle.
Oh, the tricycle is my favorite.
So we basically use the tricycle to get to places. The fare is really cheap.
It's fun.
We were able to enjoy the bargain place by the palenque. The palenque means the market. We get to go there. Brianna's on sweatpants. We're walking across the street. It's called the La Vista Mall. My sister will be singing. My sister! Sarah! There's Elle. There's my dad. Please believe me. I'll never do you no harm.
Miss Zara, represented by the whole darling Karen from Beatles. They're with the American friends now. Okay,
Oh my
I said the American one. Hi, yes. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to the Philippines. Welcome to the Philippines. And I guess they know also how to speak in Tagalog.
Oh no.
Do you know Tagalog words now already?
So now we're shopping. So just put in mind, when you price stuff, here $1 is 52 pesos. If you see $8.99, just do the math. All right, guys. Yes. Morning. It's day 3. Day 2, right? It's day 3. And we're leaving Crown Royal. We're going straight to Manila. We'll be staying at Conrad's. I'm eating, I forgot what this is called. No, this is...
Dog?
No, hold on. Okay. I'm gonna pause this. Alan Zara brought us this street food, the barbecue on a stick, and this one is chicken intestines, and it's called isaw. And they're very, very good hot and fresh. But this is like 6 hours old, so it's still good though, but it's cold. We're on our way to Manila. It's around 4 a.m. in the morning.